We knew that we would get that decision of the Court of Appeal set aside, and we also knew that we would get the report of Lowenfield set aside, because Lowenfield helped us in the sense that he, in the letter to the commission, said that he based his report upon the Court of Appeal decision. So he made it very clear that his report was contaminated by the decision of the Court of Appeal. So when the Court of Appeal decision was set aside by the CCJ, most naturally, his report had to go. And the CCJ gave all the guidance necessary on the way forward. Gecom or no Guyanese now should be unclear on what the position is. The CCJ said in its ruling very clearly that the position now is that Gecom must restate or reissue its instructions to Lowenfield, instructions that were given on the 16th of June, and direct him now to prepare the report as he's required to do by law based upon the recount numbers. The court made it clear that he nor the commission has any power to invalidate votes, that the votes are presumptively valid and they can only be invalidated by a election petition filed in the High Court by orders of the High Court, that Gecom has no power to interfere with the validity of the ballots, that the system, the electoral system itself, has mechanism in place that weeded out, and that's the word that they use, weeded out invalid ballots on the night of the elections when the ballots were counted at the place of poll. All these things we were saying from the beginning, and we feel very vindicated that democracy has won, justice has triumphed, and Guyana can now go forward in concluding these elections so that we can have the new president sworn in.